Okay, there's the vans out.
Let the motor scream, coming from the living dream. Leather boots and a
Just
rebel
September, that was the
grin.
first start.
The highway calls,
shot.
let the ride begin. Chasing skies, burning time. Two lost hearts on a rebel line. No map, no rules, just open air. Ride or die, we're almost there. Every mile the path gets thin. Smoking stars, whiskey and sin.
There's the van. Still waiting on the heads. It's just about ready. Well, she's ready for the heads. Still gotta tighten those up though. I might just get the impact on them. Once I get the heads, I'm gonna get the air hose, blow it all out, give it another nice little final cleaning, give it a little coat of some synthetic oil inside the inside here. Looking good though. Give them a nice cleaning before I put the heads on. All right, move on. Boom, Dino. Okay. She's tucked away. She's gonna be a brand new machine when she comes out. Ooh, there's the chrome. Okay, nice. Oh, a little crack in that unit there. Have to get in touch with my buddy Sean. See if he's got one. I'm sure he does. Yeah. Right. Okay. That's one. Usually he starts barking his head off, but he's being a good boy. Eh? Oh, it's okay. There he goes. There he goes. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Come here, come here, come here. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, that's okay. What do you think you're gonna do? Go fight them, hey? I don't think so. There's no fighting. Okay, let's go. We'll get some nummy nums. All right. We'll be back. She's inside her little home right now. First day of nice weather, look at this. And it's March 3rd or 4th today. She's been hibernating all winter in here. Good. Getting ready to put on the heads. Oh, one second. Just gotta oil those pistons inside there. Good. Boom. Vortec heads have arrived, folks. Get them out of the plastic. I gotta put some tape over all these. And then I'm gonna paint it black all around. We're gonna open them up, have a look, see how nice they look. Freshly rebuilt. I'll let you know what's all on here and how it's all going here. So we'll be back. Okay. So these are 602 heads, or 062, 062, so you can see right there. They got Beehive springs on them now. Machine shop did all what they had to do to get them in. And they got a mild porting job. What else? All kinds of stuff. 3-angle valves, back cut valves, all resurfaced. I'll show you underneath after, but right now I'm going to do a fresh paint job on all this. That way it doesn't rust. Apparently I'm supposed to cover this with some tape. See, there's a number 1 there. I wonder if that means that's going to the number 1 cylinder. It must.
Come on, baby, let's go for a ride. Playing going up the country on the radio high. Laughing, singing, and feeling free when the whole wide world is just you and me. Oh, yeah, it's just you and me. Sun sinking low, painting gold on the ground. Every mile we take, no one else around. Your hand in mine, and the night feels near, but I don't want this moment to disappear. Moment lights dancing on the hood as we glide. Every twist and turn with you feels right inside. The night's wide open and the stars all agree this road was always meant for you and me. Come on, baby, let's go for a ride. Playing going up the country on the radio high. Laughing, singing, and feeling free with the whole wide world. It's just you and me. Oh, yeah, it's just you and me.
Oh. Nice and freshly painted Beehive Springs. Ready to rock and roll. Alright folks, the heads are in place. They're not bolted down yet. That's going to be the next step. I'm going to put thread sealer on all the bolts and then torque them down. Those are the Beehive springs. Then we're going to put the rockers on and the push rods. Then we're ready for the intake. surprise for the carburetor that's going on this thing, which I will reveal in the next video. So stand by. 062 Vortec heads on an old school 350 block, 397 block, 0010. And these are the 062 heads. Legendary. Fully redone. Some mild porting done. 3-angle valve job, back cut valve job. All kinds of other goodies done to it. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we got the heads on ski. Mind you, these ones are bolted in now. They're torqued all the way. I did it in 3 stages, 25, 45, and then I went to 70. Same with these guys down below. Okay. And this one I'm going to do next. So what I did was I got the bolt. There's 3 lengths. The really long ones, they go in these inside sections. This last one on the outside here and on the other end is the medium length bolts. There's 2. And then the short bolts are on the outside down there. So what I did, basically cleaned them up. And then I put thread sealer on the threads there. This stuff here, where is it? Right here. This stuff. Wrapped it around with my finger, nice, all evenly. Put it in, and then at underneath the head here of the bolt, I dabbed a little bit of the oil here. The oil with the high zinc. So it's underneath the heads and the bolt. Just before torquing it. It's something you should do. Okay, then you can see here I got the push rod length gauge here, measurement thing. So there's the original one. You could see how it's a little bit shorter, the new setup. And this is the tool that checks your length that you need, your geometry and all that for when it sits. So we'll get to that. Let's see, that's even. Okay, those are Vortec heads. God damn. And then next we'll be getting gaskets, 1255 felt pros, and then the intake. All right. Okay, push rods are in. Trick flow, 7.675 long, 5/16 push rods, 16 of them. 0.80 thickness. Hardened, heavy duties. Okay, I'm gonna put them on and see if I got some good geometry happening here. And see if my measurements worked or otherwise. Gotta reorder some new sizes. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so I just did the first measurement test with the rocker on. And look at that marking. Dead center. Hard to fully see it, but right there. It's giving me a dead center markage. I goodness, perfect. Okay, we can go ahead and install all of them. Wow, I gotta clean them first. Gotta make sure the hole inside is blown out and clear of any debris, because you never know. And then they gotta go in. And I got some assembly lube for installing. Gotta put it on everything, a little bit everywhere. All right. Whew. Okay, that's a good sign. That means we might just get things done on time here. Okay, I'll be back. Good job, loving it. Okay, we're gonna get these rockers and push rods installed and get some oil laid in there. Close her up. All right, folks. We're getting the rockers and push rods on the Vortec 602, 062, whatever you want to say it, heads. Okay, got that one going on that side. This side's done. It's all torqued down. Everything's down. Tight the way it should be. I'm going to show you how I do it on one of them anyways, and then the rest are pretty much just repeating. So basically, I'm going to try and do it with one hand on the camera. So there might be a couple quick edits here, but anyway. So as you can see, this is down. This one there, it's on its base circle point on the cam. That's where you want it. Put a little bit of this in there. Okay. I got the push rods. I already blew them out, but just make sure. Okay. All right, this is where I got to put the phone down because I gotta do the tip of this push rod here. Here you go. Okay, and you're gonna slide it in. Get it right in there. Okay. Now we got the rockers here. Basically, okay, first we'll put some up here. Some on top of there. Okay. Some in here. Some here. Make sure that this hole is facing this way. That's down. This one's up where it's got the flat part on it. Okay. Get this, put it in. Make sure it's in. It's got self-lining rockers, so it's not going to wiggle off center. That's where you want it. Okay, I'll get the nut here. Put the nut in. Now basically right now you'll feel that there's tons of movement here. So you're going to just finger tighten this down. Pretty much till it stops. Okay, no more up and down movement. Now we get our 5/8. I'm doing this from the other side of the motor here, so, but it's doable. Okay, so we go here, we're going to go half a turn. So we're there. We're going to go half turn. It's about there. Okay, and we get our Allen key. Get it in there. Now I'm going to just tighten that and hold the wrench at the same time. So give me 1 second here. Oh, done. Done. Okay. That's how it's done, boys and girls. Okay, we got the intake or the alternator set up there. And then we come around. Okay. Oh. Basically got that alternator and bracket all hooked up. I put blue Loctite on all these to make sure they're not going to come loose. And this side's done, all the rockers. Then I'll be getting some oil, and I'll be putting 4 quarts of oil in this sucker, all down in there. And then, because I already got 1 quart in there inside the oil filter. So another 4 more should get me at least pretty much there. And then I gotta put the intake gaskets and the intake on. And then we'll get to the carb. And yeah, we'll definitely check that out. All right, be back once I get these all done. We'll have a look at it. By the way, these are the push rods I went with. Trick flow, 7.675 at 0.080 thickness. Chromoly. Nice hardened steel, heavy duties. Trick flow. All right. And yep, 7675. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we got it. They're all in. Man, there's a little bit of a marathon putting all these on. But very simple to do, very simple. Definitely not even close to physical or anything like that. It wasn't like when I tightened all these head bolts down. That was a workout marathon. But we're good. I got the settings now and the timing at top dead center 1. As you can see, they're both down. And just to confirm that. You have to see the mark. Down. Top dead center. So now we're ready to install the intake, distributor, carburetor, hook up all the stuff here, put the fan in, radiator. Oh yeah, I gotta put my headers on. I'm waiting for some black paint though. I'm gonna paint them. And then Vortecs are pretty much done. Pretty much done. It's time to just seal her up now. All right, we'll be back. And if you get a chance, check out my tunes there on Spotify. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check out my new t-shirts and that. Comes with a little bundle with that ceramic van plaque thingy and a sticker. 2% and rolling. And let me know. I really appreciate it. All right, we'll talk soon on the next video. Next video will be intake. The intake's arriving in 2 days, so I'll get that going. Some videos on that when it arrives. And the carburetor. Oh God, I love this carburetor I'm getting. It's 4-barrel Rochester Quadret. Fully rebuilt, tuned, set up, you name it. Had a racing motor guy do it for me. Jim Wildgoose. Look him up. Guys, he knows his stuff. And he races Vortec motors too, so he gave me some good tips and details and everything I need to know to get this ready. All right. Hope you all enjoyed this one. We'll get back. We'll see you soon.
Got a van with flames, has a name with a bite. Chrome so clean, shines day and night. Side pipes rumble, headers loud. White tires and mags, grip so proud. Bubble glass windows, flares on the side.